Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous video we have complete page number 37, before, after and between. And students, I gave you some homework also. So students, tell me, have you completed your homework? Very good. So students, in this video we will start a new topic on page number 38, comparing and arranging. But firstly we will check our homework. So students, take your maths book and firstly open page number 37. So students, this is your page number 37 and this is your homework. These two lines are your homework. Today we will check our homework. So in this question, which number comes before 998 and which number comes after 998? So 997 and 999. Next one, 740 and 742. Next one number 666, then 665 x and 667. And next one, which numbers come before 900? Then 899. And which number comes after 900? Then 901. Okay, next one, which number comes between 500 and 502? Then 501. 634, then 635 and 636. Which numbers come between 888 and 890? Then 889. Next one, 221 and 223. Then 222. Okay, understood all of you? Have you checked your homework? Very good. Now turn your page and open page number 38. Now students, this is your page number 38 and this is your new topic, comparing and arranging. Comparing and arranging means compare of two numbers. Okay. So first one, here we have 3-digit number and here we have 2-digit number. So which number is greater? So students, we will compare these numbers with ones, place of ones, tens and hundreds. So here we have ones place, yeah, here also. Here we have tens place, here also. And here we have 100 place, but here we don't have 100 place. Then 300 and here 0, then 345 is greater than 34. And स्टूडेंट्स, हम ये साइन इस तरह यूज़ करते हैं, मीन्स ये इस साइन का ये वाला पार्ट हम जिधर ग्रेटर नंबर होता है उधर की साइड लगाते हैं. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? लाइक दिस. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हियर वी विल कंपेयर digit of 100 place. Okay, like this. Here we have 200s and here we have 600. Then which number is greater? So 623 is greater than 247. Then look here students, mark this one. Understood all of you? Again, and if our digit of 100 place is equal like this, our digit of 100 place is equal like this. Here 7, here 7, means 700 are equal na. Then we will compare digit of tens place. Means students, अगर फर्स्टली हम 100 प्लेस की डिजिट कंपेयर करेंगे कि कौन सी डिजिट बड़ी है. ओके, बट अगर 100 प्लेस की डिजिट बराबर है तो हम किसकी कंपेयर करेंगे? टेंस प्लेस की. और अगर टेंस प्लेस की डिजिट भी बराबर है तो हम किस चीज़ की डिजिट प्लेस कंपेयर करेंगे, वंस प्लेस की। ओके, सो 700 बराबर है, इक्वल है। नेक्स्ट वन, देन वी विल कंपेयर डिजिट ऑफ टेंस प्लेस, 2 tens 3 tens, देन विच इज ग्रेटर, 3 tens, so 737 is greater than 729. Here, look here digit of 100 place are equal, digits of tens place also equal. Then we will compare digits of tens ones place, so 9 ones and 5 ones, then 879 is greater than 875. Okay, so understood all of you? How will you compare numbers? Firstly, we will compare digits of 100 place. If digit of 100 place are equal, then we will compare digit of tens place, and if digit of tens place are equal, then we will compare digit of ones place. Okay, means हम फर्स्टली कंपेयर करेंगे 100 प्लेस की डिजिट, बट अगर 100 प्लेस की डिजिट इक्वल्स हैं तो हम टेंस प्लेस की डिजिट कंपेयर करेंगे, बट अगर टेंस प्लेस की डिजिट भी इक्वल है देन हम वंस प्लेस की डिजिट कंपेयर करेंगे। ओके, और जो डिजिट ग्रेटर होती है हम उसे इस तरह साइन लगाते हैं, ग्रेटर साइन हम इससे, मीन्स ग्रेटर नंबर and here small number. Okay, understood all of you? Now let's start. So students, here we have question now. So students, here we have question, then we will start. Here first one is done for us, then we will start from second. So in this question we have to write correct sign in this circle, in the oval. Okay, we have to write correct sign in the oval according to numbers, like this. Here 231 and 435, then 231 is smaller than 435 na, so right here 117 and 772, then 117 is greater than 72, then we will write this sign. Okay, next one 135 and 235, then 135 is smaller than 235, then we will write this sign. Here 85 and 324, then 85 is smaller than 324. Next one 197 and 179, then 197 is greater than 179. Okay, next one 376 and 296, then tell me students which number is greater. Yes, 376 na, then which mark is right, which sign is right? Yes, this one. Here 325 and 456, then which number is greater and which number is smaller? Yeah, 325 is smaller than 456, then we will write this sign. Okay, next one 465 and 465, means both numbers are equal, then we will write sign of the equal. Next one 493 and 349, then which number is greater 493, 500 greater than 99, 652 is smaller than 690, 909 is smaller than 990. Now understood all of you? Very good. Next one 630 greater than 603, 145 is smaller than 832. 580 is greater than 508, and 891 is smaller than 980. So understood all of you? How will you do this question? How will you use how will you write these signs? Very good. Second one question, ring the smallest and tick the largest. Means students, here we have some numbers. So here we have some numbers. So in this question we have to circle the smallest number and tick the largest number. We have to circle the smallest number in the pattern and we have to take the largest number in the pattern. Okay, so let's start. First one is done for us, then we will start from second. Then 890, 486, 365, 512, 256, 809. Then which number is smaller? Then 256 is smaller in all numbers, and 890 is largest number in this pattern. Okay, next one, 982 and 892, 793, 996, 889, 980. So which number is smaller? Tell me students. Yeah, 793. And which number is greater? Which number is largest in this pattern? Yes, very good, 996. So take this. Okay, now student, next one, question D. So students, tell me which is the smallest number in this pattern. Tell me students. 438, 519, 284, 209, 290 and 765. Then tell me students, which is the largest number, which is the smallest number? Yes, 209. So circle this. And students, which is the largest number? Yes, very good, 765. So tick this. Okay, understood all of you? Next one, 123, 342, 217, 132, 106, 16. So students, which is the smallest number? Yes, 16. And which is the largest number? Yes, 342. So take this. Okay, understood all of you? How will you do this question? Very good students. And if you have any doubt, then ask me in comments. Okay. Question F. 577, 638, 580, 731, 419 and 515. Then in all these numbers, which is the smallest number? Tell me students. Yes, 419. Then circle this. 419. And which is the largest number in these numbers? Yes, 731. This is the largest number in these numbers. So understood all of you? How will you do question first and second also? Very good. So students, do revision of these questions. Okay. Now come on your next page number 39. Students, this is your page number 39, and here we have question first. Right, here we have three signs now, for smallest, for largest and for equal. So in this question we have to write these signs according to numbers. Okay, so here we have some blank boxes now. So here we have to fill yeah, here we have to write these correct sign according to numbers. Okay, so let's start. First one 671 and second number is 176. Then students, tell me which number is largest? 671. Then here we will write this sign. Okay, बिकॉज आप ये साइन कब यूज करते हैं? जब लार्जेस्ट नंबर हो, मतलब ये साइन इस तरह से लगाते हैं जब लार्जेस्ट नंबर हो, इधर. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन 945 एंड 309. देन मेक यूज दिस साइन. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन 410 and 410. Then both are equal, so write sign of the equal. Next one 345 and 435. Then tell me students, how will you compare these numbers? Firstly, compare digit of 100 place. So then here we have 300 and here 400. Then which is largest? 435 na, 4 na, so means then 435 is largest than 345. Then write this sign. Again next number 860 and 806. Then firstly we will compare digit of 100 place, then 8 and 8 means both are equal. Then after this we will compare digit of tens place, then here 6 and here 0 means 6 is greater than 0. Then 860 is greater than 806. Then write this sign. Understood all of you? How will you compare numbers? Very good. Next one 700 and 400. Again compare tens place, again compare 100 digit of 100 place, 7 and 4. Then 700 is greater than 400. Next one 552 and 108. Then 552 is greater than 108 because 5 is greater than 1. Here 620 and 842. Then again compare digit of 100 place, 6 and here 8. Then 8 is greater than 6. Then 842 is greater than 620. Next one 795 and 597. Then which number is greater? 7 and 5. 7 na? Then 795 is greater than 597. Then write this sign. Next one 275 and 750. Next one 275 and 75. Then which number is greater? Then which number is largest? So students, here we have 200 and here we have 0, means then which is greater? So 275 is greater than 75. So write this sign. Understood all of you? How will you compare numbers? Very good. Now come on your next question. Ring the smallest and take the largest. So in this question we have to circle the smallest number and take the largest number. Okay, so here we have 4 patterns. So let's start students. Firstly we will find smallest number in these numbers. Okay, so 636, 451, 112, 772, 937, 212. Then tell me students, which is the smallest number in these numbers? Yes, 112. Then circle this. And which is the largest number? 937. Then take this. Next one, question B. Here 418, 724, 836, 948, 152 and 264. Then students, tell me which is the smallest number in these numbers. Yes, very good. Then 152, then circle this. Next one, which is the largest number in these numbers? Yes, very good, 948. Then tick this like this. Okay, understood all of you? How will you do this question? Very good. Next one, question C. 376, 488, 590, 300, 428, 520. Then students, tell me which is the smallest number in these numbers. Tell me students. Yes, 300. And circle this. Okay. And which is the largest number in these numbers? 590. Very good. Next one, 621, 742, 832, 932, 103 and 113. Then which is the smallest number in this series? Yes, 103. And which is the largest number in this series? Yes, this one. Okay, understood all of you? How will you do this question? So in this question you have to find smallest number and largest number, and take the circle the smallest number and take the largest number. Understood all of you students? Very good. Question third. Now students, come on your next question. Question third. Write in ascending order from the smallest to the largest. Write in ascending order. So students, ascending order means smallest to the largest, means छोटे से बड़ा. Okay. So look here students, here we have some patterns. Here we have some number patterns. So in this question we have to arrange these patterns. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay. Means firstly we will write smallest number. After smallest number we will write largest. So largest and okay, understood all of you? So students, look here, look in this pattern. Which is the smallest number in this series? Which is the smallest number in this series? Then 203. And students, write here and in good handwriting. Okay. Now tell me, after 203 which is the smallest number? Tell me students. 227. So write here 227. After 227 which is the smallest number? 317. So write here 317. After 317 which is the smallest number? 413. 413. After 413 which is the smallest number? 552. 552. And in this series which is the largest number? In last we will write largest number na. So 622. Means students, in question में for the smallest to the largest में means ascending orders में हमें क्या करना है? फर्स्टली हम सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर राइट करेंगे. ओके. इसमें फिर स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से बड़ा, फिर उससे बड़ा, फिर उससे बड़ा, उससे बड़ा, और लास्ट में सबसे बड़ा नंबर. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन, Look in this series, which is the smallest number? 163. After 163, we will write 225. After 225, we will write 400. 400. After 400, which is the smallest and which is the largest number? 537. After 537, we will write here 662. And after 662, we will write here 897. Understood all of you? How will you arrange smallest to the largest? So students, understood all of you? How will you do this question? How will you arrange series in ascending order? Very good. So students, these 3 lines are your homework. So do this homework yourself at your home very carefully and honestly. Okay, understood all of you? Now come on your next question. Question 4. Write in descending order. Okay. Descending order means students largest to the smallest. Means largest to the smallest means firstly we will write largest number and in last we will write smallest number. Okay. Descending order means बड़े से छोटा मीन्स सबसे पहले हम सबसे बड़ा नंबर लिखेंगे मीन्स सबसे लार्जेस्ट नंबर और फिर उससे छोटे नंबर. ओके. सो लुक हियर, we will start from 1. Question A. So look in this series and find the largest number in this series. Tell me students. Yes. Tell me students. 221 is the largest number. Okay. After 221, which is the smallest number? After 221, which is the smallest number? After 221, we will write here 180. After 180, we will write here 172. After 172, we will write here 113. After 113, we will write here 105. And last 90. So in this question you have to write, firstly you have to write largest number and in last you have to write smallest number. मीन्स सबसे पहले आपको सबसे बड़ा नंबर लिखना है और उसके बाद आपको उससे छोटा उससे छोटा उससे छोटा नंबर लिखना है. Understood all of you students? Very good. Now come on your next question. So tell me students, which is your largest number in this series? Look here. 631, 442, 339, 420, 450, 552. Tell me students. So which is the largest number? Tell me students in this series. Yes, 631. After 631, 552. After 552, we will write here 450. After 450, we will write here 442. 442. After 420, and in last 339. Means in this series 631 is the largest number and 339 is the smallest number. Understood all of you students? How will you do these questions? And these 3 are your homework. So do this homework yourself at your home very carefully and honestly. Okay, so students, complete this work in your maths book very carefully and do revision also. Okay, and complete your homework in next video. Firstly we will check our homework. Okay, then we will start new topic. Okay, so complete this work in your math book very carefully and honestly. Okay, okay, bye, thank you, have a nice day.